Hello, it's Kingsley from HTS. We are just here today to run through a quick video on the use and juice of this 120 litre maintenance spill bin.
So Kingsley, what's included in the bin? 50 maintenance spill pads.
5 spill socks.
3 hazard waste bags.
2 pillows.
These pads are used to soak up oil and repel water. They simplify the cleanup process and protect your surface.
Perfect for containment and prevention of further spills and offers versatility in its snake-like shape.
To comply with environmental legislation, you must use these bags to dispose of your spill waste.
So these pillows can be used to plug a leak and can absorb high volumes of oil.
So to round up, this bin is a great accessory to your workshop spill range. It's got wheels on the back, so it's very easily transported around site. And obviously the colour makes it stand out from your usual waste bins and recycling bins. Also, all of the contents of the kit, the socks and the pads and the pillows, are all refillable, and we sell all of them individually.